Hi everyone, it's Iris from Lenkeng Technology. Lenkeng Technology, a Chinese manufacturer of all kinds of video solution products like HDMI extenders, HDMI matrix. Today I will going to show you our innovative extenders, which is for installation for some professional customers like KVM extender series. We have many types. First one, KVM. We have first one is suppose point to point. One sender work with one receiver. It supports 4K 30 Hz at to the max. It supports 70 meters. It's fit for some simpler use. The second one is HDMI extender over IP with KVM extender. It supports one sender with multiple receivers. It's also transmitted by CAT cable. The third one is HDMI extender over IP optical KVM extenders. It supports 4K 60 Hz, one transmitter with multiple receivers at the same time by going through optical lens switches.